welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making a phone cover. Why? Because I need a phone cover. So I'm loving the way it turned out and I'm going to show you my process. So today I will be using Silhouette Studios, and I just on the left hand panel there is a rounded rectangle and I'm using that. The width is 3 inches and the length is 6 inches. As you can see, I already merged the image that I wanted to use into Silhouette Studios. I use Canva to remove the background from the image. And then I just used the text feature and typed in Davis family using the Hannah font. So as I was creating, an idea came to me. I said, everybody's always losing business cards. I'm going to put a QR code scanner on my phone too, in case somebody asks me questions. They could just scan my QR code and access my Etsy shop to shop with me. You already noticed I do not have the actual phone template. I just used the rounded rectangular shape, and then I kind of measured off how far over I needed to move that QR code. And I'm not feeling the background color, so I'm gonna find like a glittery color that I can kind of copy and paste into the background for my phone. So I'm just gonna paste the image into, or the glittery image into Silhouette Studios, and then I'm going to crop it into that rectangular shape that we made earlier. So you all, I just somehow altered my rectangle in the sizing, but we can fix that, easy fix. Remember, the dimensions was, the width was 3 and the length was 6. So I'm gonna put it down to size, and then I'm gonna highlight both my rectangular shape and that glittery shape and crop it to make sure it fits. But it was another way we could do this, but long story short, that's what I did on this one. So now I'm just going, like I said, make that 3 by 6, and I'm going to drag it behind the image with the QR code. All right, everything's all set. And before printing, I want to see if my QR code is going to work. So I scanned the QR code and I was directed to my Etsy shop. So it's in working condition. And now I'm going to print everything out. After printing it, I made sure that I took the thin plastic film off of the blank. And then I adhered the sublimation paper with the heat tape. Press time, so it should be 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I layered my heat press with printer paper at the bottom and the top, covered by a Teflon sheet. Okay, I'm super excited to show you all the results. I'm removing my paper, as you can see, and just be quiet. I'm gonna let the words, everything speak for itself. It came out great. I tricked you, I can be quiet. Wow, you guys, look how bright that is. I love it. All you have to do is take that metal blank and apply it to the case and you are done. Wasn't that so easy? That was so simple. Thank you guys again for watching, and happy crafting, everyone.